In today's video, we have an unboxing of the professional single foil shaver by Stylecraft, the Uno. Don Blanco, the Barber. Okay, so before we get this open, let's notice this warning label here that this bag is not a toy, so let's get ourselves safe from the cellophane and take it off. Also safely using this blade to remove the cellophane. Whoops, that did not look too safe, but everything's good. And get into it. Let's see what we got here. The Stylecraft Uno. Let's take a look at the outside of this sturdy box. Get it in focus here. Plant's a little in the way. And if we can get this in focus, 9,000 RPMs. That makes it professional right there. It comes with the two blades, the forged blade and the crunchy blade. We'll get into that more later. The USB chargeable adapter, lithium ion battery. It's hypoallergenic. Can fit in your pocket if you want to put it there. And a few graphics here on the side telling us about the product, what comes inside, and some pretty pictures. Let's get into this thing and see what we got. This is what Amazon sends you to go with it. Won't be needing that. Give that the little Amazon toss to the side. Now, and here is the shaver itself. Comes wrapped in a little cellophane. Remember, not a toy. You can set that aside for now. The USB charger. It's nice to get that in the box. Nice fast charging adapter. USB. This is considered the forge cutter blade. It has the red plastic. It's a quieter blade. According to Stylecraft, it's just as good as the one that comes on the shaver, but some people think it has more power. And here we have the cord. Cord seems long enough to keep plugged in case your battery dies. The shaver will work with the cord plugged in. And a nice little cleaning brush. And next up is the manual. Now, most people like to do the little toss to the side thing. I personally am not a fan of the toss to the side thing because I believe in following the suggested manufactured guidelines. You'll save yourself a lot of trouble if you read this, find out how you're supposed to take care of your tool, to use your tool, save you on battery life, and be safe. So I actually plan on reading the entire manual before I use the product. If you're the same way, let me know in the comments. Or if you think that's a waste of time, also let me know in the comments. Okay, let's take a look at the actual shaver here. It's tiny. I mean, I knew it was small, but this thing seems very tiny. But it is really nice looking. Yeah, this is very nice. This particular one comes in red and gold. Very, very light to the touch. Then turn it over. You see here where you plug it in. Look at the side, the top. Let's take the lid off. Oh, it's got a nice snap to it. Very snug fit. It's a good thing that they included two blades. The blade that comes attached is considered the crunchy cutter. That comes with black plastic, unlike the other one, which is red plastic. You can hear the hair being cut better with this one. That's why they call it the crunchy cutter. Some people also think it's smoother. I tried to take this thing apart, but I'm gonna obviously need to get like a little screwdriver or something in there because it is very snug. I saw a couple of other barbers had this same issue, but it will come off, and that's how you change the blade. In turning it on, that's where you feel the 9,000 RPMs. This is a powerful shaver. I mean, it's not the type of shaver that you would use to bald out a bald fade or do a bald head with, but I can see where this shaver would come in handy. It's very powerful. You could use it around the mustache, like at the top part of the mustache or in between a goatee. I could even see using it for designs, getting in between the lines a little bit, just all the little tight spaces that wouldn't be easy to get to. This is very small and compact. I'm really looking forward to using it. Also, I should have mentioned that it comes with this nice pouch, little velvety pouch that will hold, looks like it'll hold both the shaver and the cord in it at the same time. Don't forget to hit the like button. It really does help the channel. I'm also looking forward to doing a review of this product. Let me know in the comments if there are any other barber equipment that you'd like for me to review. That's all I got for today. We'll see you next week.